so flipping cold right now. It's so cold, so cold. It's December as I speak. Thanksgiving week has just happened. And now it's freezing. Okay, we're gonna talk about right angles. I have to stand like this over this thing because I refuse to move it. Okay, we're gonna talk about right angles. What is a right angle? Well, a right angle is an angle that is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Now, how does a right angle look? A right angle looks like this. It's an angle made up of two lines that are perpendicular to each other. This might look familiar. You might think of a square. As you can see, this is a right angle, an angle that has two perpendicular lines like this. Squares are made up of complete perpendicular lines. This, which means that this is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, and this is a right angle. All these are right angles because they're all perpendicular to the lines next to them. This one's perpendicular to this one, this one's also perpendicular to this one, this one's perpendicular to this one, and this one's perpendicular to this one. Which means that this is a right angle, it's 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. So angles that are perfectly 90 degrees to each other, angles that are perpendicular to each other are 90 degrees. And those angles are called right angles. Right angles. Which is angles of 90 degrees. And squares aren't the only ones. You guys got rectangles or some triangles. What? This right here is a triangle with a 90 degree or two lines that are perpendicular to each other, which means that this angle right here is 90 degrees, which means that this is a right angle. This triangle has a right angle. You create another triangle that goes like this. Since the lines are perpendicular, since these two lines would be perpendicular to each other, this would also be a right angle. So lines that are perpendicular to each other, like this, make a right angle. A right angle is an angle of 90 degrees. Boom. Oops. Pen drop. Stay in school.